Hello, and welcome to our Cerenade video. In this video, we will talk about the new option module titled Acuity Scheduling. With this feature, you can integrate your Acuity calendar. Acuity is a service that allows your clients to book appointments with a link. When scheduling appointments, they receive an email of the appointment and allow them to reschedule, which will reflect on your caseworker portal as well. It is important to note that you must have the optional module titled Acuity Scheduling. You must also have an account with Acuity, specifically the Powerhouse version, as this allows API integrations. We will first want to link Acuity to your caseworker portal. We will want two tabs open on your web browser, one that will connect us to the caseworker portal and one for your Acuity calendar. Let us log into the caseworker portal. From the home page, let us go to the user preferences. Once inside, you will go to the calendar tab on the right and select Settings. If we scroll to the bottom, we will see a checkbox to connect to Acuity, and we will see that the software asks for owner ID, user ID, and API key. We will now focus on our second tab for Acuity Scheduling. You will log into your Acuity account. Once inside, you will focus to the sections on the left and select Integrations. From here, you will see a couple options. You will want to locate the API option, and once found, select View Credentials. You should now see your user ID and API key. You will copy each and paste it to its respective location on the caseworker portal. Before we hit save, we still need to get the owner ID. You can get the owner ID by going back to Acuity, selecting Scheduling Page Link. You will have a drop-down menu with your different calendars. You will select the General Scheduling page, and on the link you will see the owner ID in the Direct Link section. If you do not see the owner ID, you can still gather that info by going into the Embedded Scheduler or another section here, and locate where it says Owner Equals. The numbers afterwards is your owner ID. Only copy the numbers and proceed to paste it on your caseworker portal. Now that we have the user ID, the owner ID, and the API key, we can proceed to select which color we want it to appear on the calendar and finalize by clicking Save up top. The last part of integrating with Acuity is adding options to link client profiles from eIMMIGRATION to Acuity, meaning the name shown on Acuity will be the exact same on the caseworker portal. Going back to Acuity, we will now focus on intake form questions. We will click on Add Custom Forms. You will name the form ECMS form. You will add two text fields and name them Client IDs and Case IDs. Please be aware how it is typed out and type exactly as you see. You will then check the box that says this form is for internal use only, don't show to clients. Finally, you will select for which appointment types you would like to apply this. Apply this to all your calendar types. You will finalize by clicking on Save. You have now fully integrated your Acuity calendar with your caseworker portal. From the calendar, you will select your Acuity calendar. For the type, you will select the type from Acuity. Lastly, you will select With, and it will pull the profiles you have on Acuity. Once you've made the selections, the date and time will appear, the same available times you would have on Acuity. You will select the date and time of this appointment. You will then be required to link a client profile. If you don't have one, you can quickly create one by clicking on Add New Client. You can even link a case if one has been started. And lastly, you will enter your notes. Once finished, you will click on Save. By doing so, it will record the appointment on both the caseworker portal and Acuity. And, depending on your Acuity settings, you will receive an email confirmation of the appointment, and your client will receive an email for that appointment as well. If your client reschedules through the email, it will reflect on Acuity and the caseworker portal. This concludes our video on integrating your Acuity calendar with your caseworker portal. Hit the subscribe button to be notified when new videos come out, and give us a like to let us know you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.